So this is taken last year. I celebrated alone my New Year. And I just want to share you just pop up on my head. I mean, no one talks about the grief of growing up. Did you feel it? I mean, ako lang ba? Or napansin niyo din? Kasi trintahin kasi. I mean, dati nung bata pa ako, gusto kong tumanda. Kapag-aral, sa lahat ng kapatid ko, ako lang yung nag-7 nag-start ng aral kasi sila 8 mostly. Yeah. So, kapag tapos, akala ko okay na ang buhay. May mga target timeline pa nga ako, pero di yun. So, na-realize ko habang tumatanda ako, parts of me slowly nagbabago. Dating siyahin, hindi naman sa people pleaser. Normal lang, like hindi ako nagpagod, hindi ako nag-worry sa future. Then one day, boom, na-realize ko like what's happening in me. Bigla na lang ako nag-cut off ng mga friends. I set boundaries, know my priorities. I engage intentionally. Some people left, some really change. Iba-iba naman kasi tayo ng timeline. We outgrow, and yeah, I'm not my old self anymore. Kaya totoo, minsan mabigat maging adult. Because growing up also means grieving the version of yourself you can never bring back. Some dreams change. Now, I finally understand why they are look so tired drinking that coke. Young generation, Gen Z, just be present, enjoy yourself,